Hi guys, this is Motorcycle Health. Helmet is designed for riders who want both style and practically. It combines a classic look with a modern features like built-in is goggles and an adjustable sun visor that helps shield your eyes from wind, dust and bright sunlight. With riding, the shell is lightweight, which helps reduce strain on your neck during long rides, and the inside liner is breathable and can be removed for easy cleaning. It also comes with a quick releasable buckle, making it is simple to put on and take off. This helmet is versatile and works well in different conditions, whether you're riding in the summer or winter. The air lighting can be removed, providing comfort in both warm and cold weather. Before buying, it's recommended to measure your head size for the best fit, so the helmet size, comfortability and security. Overall, this helmet combines style, comfort and protection, making it a solid choice for everyday riders from casual communities to longer trips.